Yes, sir. Welcome back to Trading with Mondo. And it's Sunday, August 9th on a Sunday, going into a Monday. And the market opens tomorrow. I'll probably be at work, so we'll see what we got. We're gonna go ahead and review SPY, IWM, and QQQ. We also got for notes. I'll just review it with you guys. Let's go ahead and do it right now. So let's go ahead and do the first one. Let's get to it. So for SPY, after that crazy pullback that it did, ran up after 1, 2, 3, 4 days, pulled back. Like you can see, pulling back to the MAs on the 30. Honestly, we'll see if the pullback holds. Pull back to the MAs on the 30. We'll see how it reacts, and it closed at 773 with 15 cents, depending on where you're looking at it from. But ultimately, we're just gonna wait to see if this holds, and if it doesn't hold, we'll go ahead and trade the current trend. But for the most, yeah. So now we're gonna go ahead and do IWM. IWM, same thing. 2 days after that big pullback that we had from July, two MAs gone to MAs, now it got above MAs. So that means it holded. Now it pulled back to the 30 MAs, but it's also on the highest. It's at the highest the highest point, so like a breakout point. What's it called? A higher end? It's called I'm having a fucking brain fart. It's called higher something, but anyways, it's back on like breakout point, and now it's holding in the MA. We're gonna see if it breaks out or it pulls back down. Basically, seeing if this holds or it doesn't hold. All right, so we got that. We got on Friday. It looked like it holded and pulled back on 30 minutes. So Friday, hold it, pull back. We'll see if it holds or not. And then again, trade the trend, market trend. On QQQ, same thing. After it's round up, pulled back. Now it's holding in the MAs. It had a bad month for July, so that's kind of rough. Now it's at new higher highs. There you go, higher highs. That's a new higher high, and it's the second before like the highest high, and this is the high low. So we'll see if this holds, and if it holds, I'll try to run into 740. But if it doesn't, well then we'll just short any stock that we can. It's looking like it might hold, but we'll see. Like I said, if it holds, we'll try to trade it on the upside. If it doesn't, then we'll try to trade it on the downside. But we'll see how it holds. Let's get Q. So for notes, we have after the market recovered from July pullback slash breakdown, it's on the second top from an all-time high. All right. We'll see if it breaks out, consolidates, or breaks down. So that's the three sectors. This is like the three market movers. Not market movers, like market makers. For the first stock we got RXT. Oh fuck! I have money in this one. I bought some right here, and it like broke down. That was rough. I've been holding it, but it is what it is. So, it broke down. Now it's over some MAs. If the market continues to pull like green, I could like run this to like what, maybe six. Six is a good target. Maybe possibly five. That's a cool target too. The only thing would be the MAs on top, especially the 50. After it gets over the 50, then it's probably be a green light. Still, like I said, following the market, because if it pulls back, this pull shit will pull back too. So next one, RDW. RDW, we got round all the way up, but through all of the MAs, now sitting on the 50 moving average, right? On the 30, it's bouncing off the 13 EMA and the 20 moving average. So that's two levels of support that's kind of holding it. Depending on the way the market goes, this could be a nice little play, especially how it's already under all the moving averages. You know, I'm getting it like 1350. Try to shoot for 15. Shit, 15 for sure. So, how about we'll write that down real quick. Enter at like what? 1375 if it's already, and then target will be 15, and then for the stop shit, I'm gonna say 13 would be perfect. 25. Ooh. Yeah, honestly, 13.75. Stock could be 25, honestly. So we'll do 25. There you go. So risking 50 cents to try to hit 50. So whatever that is. I'm gonna go ahead and I think that's a 4-1 or 1-4, but I mean 4-1 or 3-1. But for the next one, we're gonna go QBT. Not really much to say here besides it's under MAs. It's under MAs on the daily, so you don't really want to try to trade that, especially how the market goes. If it goes down, the MAs get really heavy and push the stock really down. On the 30-minute, it looks not that bad. It looks like it's tradable. It looks like I'll get in here and then try to get at on the 10, maybe like 75% profit, but just having the MAs on top of that makes it really hard to get in this, just because of experience and knowing that if that shit hits that and it doesn't react well, you could be stopped out. So let's go next one. POTE. POTE. Oh, we're gonna go ahead and same thing. It does have the MAs on top of it, the 50 MA on top of it, but it's kind of far. You could kind of play this to, it's kind of far, maybe to a 10. And to a 10, maybe like 10, 550, 950. This would be nice, man. Get in here, 950, get out, a little, what is that? A little 50 cent, and then your stop would have been right here for 25 cents. Stop loss. Yep, that's the way I would play it if the market continues to go up. But if the market continues to go down, we'll clearly would wait for the MAs to get broken and then to push on top of them. Next one we're gonna go ahead and do is gonna be NOK, and NOK did the same thing as the market, trying to follow, hit some MAs, kind of pulled back, and it's kind of in between the MAs right now. Really not much to say about this stock besides I wouldn't get in it. It looks like a nice little short if the market goes down more because it's already under the MAs. So maybe try to short it around here in this area, and then my target would be like 850 if the market goes down. So yeah, if the market goes down, that's just one stock. Let's go ahead and do the next one. The next one's gonna be VELO. VELO, same thing. Pulled up with the market having good news or good earnings. Still away from the MA, kind of far. Can you play it? You can try to play it. What's the MA at? Like 16. Anything above 16. So like if it continues to go up, we could probably try to get like 1550, 1575 up here. But once it hits to 16, we should probably get out of it. If the market, like I said, continues to go up, but if it doesn't get into it, then we'll just not get on this unless it breaks down. But for the most part, it's looking like it's holding. Probably try to get in it here and get out at 15. So I'll go ahead and do that. And that target would be like 1575. And then stop would be like 14. Yep. That's kind of cool. That's a little cool one. Let's go ahead and the next one. The next one is TMC. TMC, same thing. Had a really good pullback all the way up, especially with the market. Now it's pulled back and it's holding down the MAs. We'll kind of see how it reacts with the 20 MA after it hits it on Friday. And see if it gets above it, hold, or breaks back down. But we could also run it to like 5 and 25 cents to grab. But yeah, we'll really see. I wouldn't get in this because it's kind of extended and it's kind of far away from any real support. We said on 30. But it just kind of just hit a moving average. So you don't want to be close to that. Let's see what happens. So our next stock is gonna be OSSS, and basically same one. Pulled back, kind of holding, but it is on MA, so that's pretty nice. Go ahead and on the 30 MAs, on 30-minute one, it doesn't really look appetizing. Doesn't look like it's over MA. It's like it's holding, like it's gonna push up. So we're gonna want to just leave it like that, and not even like mess with it. This whole thing, but on the 30, it has the MA at the top of it. If the MS, if it's able to get over the MAs, maybe above right here, then it'll be potential cool to run it to 15. But for the most part, I wouldn't do anything tomorrow. I'm gonna see how the rest of the week lets it play out. I'll probably just watch it. Next one we got ABIS. ABSI. ABSI is not that bad looking, honestly. Really, really solid. It's above all the MAs. If the market turns out to be green, this could really take off running. On a 9 to like a $10 move. This looks really appetizing. I think this one goes down to like here. So that would be the goal right there. Get in it in 9 and then try to hit 10. Write that down. Enter 9. Target. And then stop. And go 75. Yeah, it's just night. That's what it's 103. That's not bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and change this to this. But yeah, it's pretty nice because if the market does go good, this could probably potentially run to 10 by the end of the week. Maybe hit shit 1050. We'll see though. But this was cool. Back to this one. Next one. ATRA. Follow the market. Not really having a good time on it though. It made the top of it on the daily, on the 30 minutes, kind of just fighting for its life. We're gonna probably stay away from this one. Our next one is gonna be NVTS. Same thing. Pulled back, got over the MAs due to the market having good results. This is not that bad. This is another situation with the other one. If the market is just to go good, this one could pop a little bit to 16. Look up. It's not that bad. It could even pop to 15. So this is a good one. Target. We're going to enter on. We're going to go ahead and enter on. It goes up like to long it, right? So we were trying to long it. We will enter at 14 for sure, and then our target would be 16. Actually, yeah, 16.50 with our stop, and with our stop being at 13.75. Yeah, that's not bad. Yeah, that's cool. That's a really good one right there. Enter at 14, target 16. Stop at 13.75. Oh, small quarter. That's all. Yeah, that's way more than the 4-1. We could actually have a looser stop at like 50. But we'll see. So that was cool too. We're gonna go ahead and say that one. Our last one we're reviewing is SpaceX. SpaceX, I mean, clearly had a good day with the market treating us well, treating everybody well and pulling back, treating the bulls well. It's the bears when they go down. So cool. Pulled back, got over that maze. Still, really just depends on the market, which way is the market gonna go. If the market goes up, this is probably gonna keep continuing to go up. If the market goes down, this is probably gonna pull back for a bit. Honestly, I would just wait until throughout the week to see if it I was shooting it basically and it didn't even stop me out when it moved back up, so it's fucking gay. But anyways, for us to get back in there to long it or whatever, we're gonna go ahead and just wait on it for throughout the week. Some of the other stocks that we already checked out are kind of more ready to break out and make some more money. So we're gonna leave this on that back burner, and we're gonna keep the 12 that we have now here. That's about 20 minutes. I know we kind of went longer today, but hopefully you guys understand everything we're talking about. And if you have any questions, let me know. Comment anything, any stocks you want to review, stuff like that. And again, thank you for watching. Happy Sunday and happy trading. I hope we all make some money throughout the week. Let's go.